How to record screen on CapCut PC. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can record your screen on CapCut PC. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta launch your CapCut application and then you gotta click on record screen, or you can click on Control plus Alt plus P. So once you click on record screen, you'll be able to see something like this. So this is basically a screen how you can record. So here you can select which type of whether you want to record using camera or you want to record using microphone, and then you're going to click on start recording. And after that, you can see that the recording will begin. And now you can see the recording has begun and you can do anything you want with the screen. For example, I'm going to minimize this and I can continue doing anything else. Now over here at the bottom, you'll be able to see the recording option. So it would, record throughout, and you'll be able to see all of the minutes or seconds that you are recording. And once done, what you're going to do is simply click on this red icon over here that is stop recording. So simply click on that, and once you do so, you'll be able to see a window like this that would say whether you want to download it or you want to edit more. Now, if you wish to download it, you can simply click on download and you will be redirected where you wish to download it. So you can select the folder where you want to download it, click on select folder, and you can see that here it is downloaded. So after that, if you wish to edit it more, you can simply click on edit more. And once you do so, you'll be redirected to this editing interface of CapCut. And now over here, if you wish to record more in addition to this recording, you can simply click on record over here and continue the recording. Now, if you wish to navigate which folder this video is, so you can right click on it and then click on open file location, and you will be redirected to the folder where this video is stored. So that is basically how you can screen record using CapCut PC. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.